go.
Look at the back of it and the back.
That's insane.
That's all you got?
Yeah, that's it. That is insane. I got the video rolling, man. It was vibrating the glass. Different. You could, if you saw the video.
Back.
They right here has lots of
Look
cars
at what's
with
in the
them.
back. Hey, look, man, the cops didn't even care, man.
All they're gonna say is
Oh my
All right,
god.
I'm gonna go look at some cars. Come here,
This
guys.
guy's crazy.
look crazy.
Jake, Craig.
That has bubbles that go up in it.
Have you ever seen anything like that? So you're obviously in the audio business.
Yeah.
What's the name of your business?
Area 41,
Area 41, where are you located?
Kennesaw, Georgia.
Very good.
Right there.